Welcome back to Everyday Mathematics and for today's problem. So last weekend there was the Math Counts chapter online for AIS. For those taking that, congratulations. Next one will be chapter invitational. And to commemorate this, we're going to be doing a problem from a question from last year's 2020 chapter. And question 21 because it's 2021. So, and this is also a nice problem to practice our divisibility rule. Sorry about that. So, let's look into this. So, let's read the question. Noah wants to fill in the two blanks in the numeral 5 blank 1 blank 2 to create a 5-digit positive integer that is divisible by 6. What is the greatest 5-digit multiple of 6 that he can create? So, great problem. Let's start by finding, because we have to break this down. Let's first see, and when you do like problems that are not prime, this is a great way to do it. 6, what is 6? 6 is 2 times 3. So, what we can do is instead of finding it for 6, like a divisibility of for 6, we can find a number that's divisible by 2 and 3, which is much easier to do. So 2, what do we know for 2? 2, for something to be divisible by 2, the last digit has to be even. So if we look at this number already here, we see that the last digit is 2, right here. And that is divisible by it is even, so this number already is divisible by 2, no matter what number we put inside, okay? Then, so we have 3 left. There's no real way to see how this is divisible by 3 yet because we don't know all the numbers, all the digits, sorry. So let's, for something to be divisible by 3, the digits have to add up to a multiple of 3. For it to be divisible by 9, it has to add up to a multiple of 9. So since this is 3, we're going to add up 5 plus 1 plus 2. And you should be getting 8. Then, what's next is we have to look at this and think, we're going to have to be subtracting the 8 from multiples of 3. What is the greatest number that the sum of these two digits, 1 and 2, can, not 1 and 2, sorry, the ones that are blank, the two blank digits can add up to? So first, what is the most 1 can? So what is the most 1 digit can? The highest digit is 9. So ideally, the best number, if it works, would be 59192. And 9 plus 9 is 18. So we can't go over 18 with our subtraction. Just to keep that in mind. Okay. Now, let's do the math. So what's the smallest multiple of 3 above 8? So that would be 9 minus, and then you have to subtract 8 to get the sum of the other two, would get you 1. 1, I think we can get a bit higher. 12 is the next multiple, minus 8 equals 4. And as you can see, if you add 3 to the 9 to 12, you add 3 to the 1, 4. So then you can keep going with, so 15 minus 8, 7, 15 minus 8, 18 minus 8, 10. Probably should put commas in between. 21 minus 8, 13. So we're still not under the 18 because we want to get as high as we can because it's the greatest positive integer that we can get. Then 24 minus 8 would get 16. And 27 minus 8 would get 19. Wait a second. Is 19? 19 is greater than 18. You cannot use 2 digits to get the sum 19. So this is where we know we have to definitely stop. So now we can see, to cross that out. So that means our greatest is 16 right here, 16. So how many ways can we get 16? So we can get 7 and 9 if we want 2 digits, and 8 and 8. So as you know, you can reverse the where all the numbers are. So our 3 current options are 5, 7, 1, 9, 2, 5, 9, 1, 7, 2, we see just switch to 7 to 9, and then 5, 8, 1, 8, 2. So out of these three, which one? So we can find the least is 7 because so we have the 5, the thousands digit. That's all the same 5, and the greatest 10,000 thousandths is 9. So the greatest is 59172, and then we can write our answer right here for 59172. So that's the answer to this problem. Now for a challenge problem. So here it is. So the question problem. So if you want to comment the answer what you think it is. So what is the greatest possible? I should do that. Back to that. What is the greatest possible four-digit number divisible by 30? Answer in the comments below. Only hint I'll give you is that 30 is 2 times 3 times 5, 6 times 5, or 2 times 15. So you can use the strategy we learned to just break it up. And yeah, good luck with that. Answer in the comments. And that's it for today. See you tomorrow.